to our presentation about the ecological footprint. The question we try to answer today is, what is the ecological footprint?
The ecological footprint is a measure of impact human activities have on the natural environment. It calculates the amount of land and water required to produce the resources we use, absorb the waste we generate. The ecological footprint includes the following components.
The carbon footprint is the amount of CO2 emissions caused by human activities. The food footprint means the land and water needed to produce food. The housing footprint includes the land and water needed for housing and infrastructure. The consumer goods footprint calculates the land and water needed to produce the goods we buy. The service footprint shows land and water needed for services such as healthcare and education.
The ecological footprint helps us to understand how our consumption patterns are affecting the planet. If our footprint is larger than the Earth's capacity to renew resources, it means we are overusing the planet's resource and causing environmental damage.
We can reduce our ecological footprint by eating less meat and dairy, using public transportation or biking instead of driving, using energy-efficient appliances, supporting sustainable products and companies, planting trees and protecting natural habitats.
In the conclusion, to the ecological footprint is a measure of our impact on the environment. By understanding our footprint and making changes to reduce it, we can help protect our planet for the future generations.
Calculating the carbon footprint for the trip means finding out how much pollution is made from the transportation used. The main source of pollution for the trip is the airplane ride.
To find out the carbon footprint, we need to know how far the plane flies, how much fuel it uses, and how much pollution the fuel makes. From Baden Airpark in Germany to Skopje in North Macedonia is about 1100 kilometers. The pollution made from the fuel for the airplane is about 3.50 kilograms of carbon dioxide for every liter of the fuel.
A rough estimate of the carbon footprint from the airplane ride is 1,100 kilometers times 3.15 kilograms equals 3,565 kilograms CO2.
This is just a guess because many things can change how much pollution is made, like the number of people on the plane, the type of plane, and how high the plane flies.
This only shows the pollution made from the airplane ride and not the whole trip. To find the carbon footprint of the whole trip, we also need to look at the pollution made from the minibus and any other transportation used. Thank you for listening. I hope you're back.